Hi there. Today I want to share some super cute autumn themed outfits I've put together. I love this season and I wanted to create a special doll scale fabric with mushrooms and foxes, acorns and leaves. I set them against a dark blue background and used a limited but cheerful colour palette. I created these designs using Photoshop, and you can see some other designs I've made before in these videos. You'll find them here at spoonflower.com, which is where I had this fabric printed. One of my fabrics is a border print, made specially for the skirt section. The other is a tiny, ditzy, scattered print. I'm delighted with how they came out, and I had them printed on a cotton lawn fabric, which is lightweight with a silky, elegant drape, perfect for doll scale clothes. When designing the dresses, I decided to use both short and long sleeve lengths, paired with my favourite bib style front bodice, and both rounded and pointed collars. I've pre-washed the fabric well to mitigate any chance of dye transfer. I then coupled my own fabric with a variety of bright, plain cottons which go nicely with the patterns. I bought these acorn charms to attach to each dress and added bows and buttons in contrasting colours. I also made these cute knee-high socks to go with each dress too. They're made to fit the A-Zone, Lika, Obitsu 22 and 24 bodies. Each dress is different and they're all available on my website shop now. I will continue to make more autumn products, so be sure to follow me on Instagram to see updates and check back on the website to see what's new. To celebrate the new additions, I'll be having a limited time 25% off sale on selected Blythe sets and shoes, so if there's something you've had your eye on, it's time to shop. I've also reduced the shipping costs, so please check it out. Please let me know what you think of my fabrics and outfits in the comments below. Thank you all so much for your support, your time, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!